welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget the notification bell so you are notified every single time I post a new video. And in today's video, as you can see, we have huge, big hair. This is one of the videos that you guys requested from me, and here we are. If you want to see how easy and simple I achieved this, it's my go-to look. Stay with me, let's go right into it. As always, grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, or wine, and let's talk beauty. So I usually wash my hair early in the morning when I know that I'm going to want my hair big and wild and as crazy as I can get it. And then what I do is I let it air dry. I don't like to do any diffusing because I like the way it dries naturally if I do it early. And then once I'm done and I get it to like this, you know, pretty much this right here, like it's kind of still a little damp, but it's still like, you see the curls are really there. All you're gonna need is a big white tooth comb, you know, a clip to hold section, a brush. It can be something a little smaller if you want, just depending on the volume I'm going for, and my trusty dryer. So what I do, because I want to make it, you know, nice and big, I just section it off. I sometimes just section it off for this, you know, pretty much just parting right where I want. And I'm just gonna go ahead, let me see if I can actually position myself in a way that you can see. So what I do is I kind of forcefully, I just try to bring down that length because it gets so curly, it ties up, but I like it to be big and wild. But because, see that? You already get that volume. It doesn't even have to be like a perfect section. It just needs to be that you can get on your roots. Trying to straighten it out. I'm literally just trying to get that root to be a little bit looser. Because do you see the difference? Like, okay, you can already see the difference, right? Like compared to this is like shrinkage. Remind my roots, they need to be done. So yeah, that's what I do. And then when it gets to the top, if I don't really need to do that, I don't, but I can make it a little more messy. I can be careful to not disturb too much of the curls. I just get it right on that root. And I'm gonna do a little bit here. And this is where this big white tooth comb is going to come into place. A little bit. Then with the way hair shine, just gonna go right underneath. Give it a little bit more. It smells so good. So this is how I achieve my big, huge curls. And this is how I do it when I'm really in a rush and I don't want to take a lot of time, because I like it to be messy and a little imperfect. So, you know, to each their own, and make it your own, you know, have fun with it. But yeah, this is it. Like, what do you think? So easy, right? Like, would you do this? Let me know. Let me see your looks if you do this. Definitely let me know down in the comments below if this is something that you want me to do more of. You know, if you liked it, I can definitely go in more details. But it's so easy, so simple. It was so good to have you guys here again. As always, please don't forget to let me know down below any comments, anything that you guys want me to talk about on this channel. And as always, thank you for being here. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you.